Hello, everyone.
Hello.
You know what's not the business is when you have to explain what happened to Mufasa in Lion King. That's what's going on right now. Yeah. So this is right here. This is what having two kids looks like. Mila, how old are you?
2
2.
and 3.
2 and 3. Okay. With that said, enjoy this video, the install of the front lip for my 2018 Subaru Forester XT. Wasapaning. If you don't know what movie that's from, then you should figure that out. On a side note, guess what we have to do today? If you look behind me, we have a gymongous box right here that contains the front lip, supposedly contains a front lip for my 2018 Forester XT. We also have a bull bar that needs to be installed. I haven't decided yet if I'm actually going to keep it or return it. I don't know. I probably went too aggressive on the bull bar action because it's not like full off-road vehicle yet anyways. I don't know if I'm going to ever get there, but it's not there yet. But we'll see. We'll see how ridiculous it looks or doesn't look. We'll see. Got a lot of plans for the Forester. But the first order of business is to wash the Forester. Alright, so the Forester's all washed up. It's time to unbox this front lip, and I got this on eBay for about 200 bucks. It's hard to find aftermarket parts for Foresters, and I believe it's either this lip or the STI lips. That's pretty much your only options. They pretty much look exactly the same with the exception of a small decal in the front and middle of it, which I don't really care about. So here it is, ladies and gents. Comes complete with the hardware. And that is going to look pretty awesome if you ask me. It should be a pretty easy install. Just line it up, mark where you're going to be drilling the holes, and that's it. Alright, so the car is lifted up on the ramps. And here is the hardware that came with this particular kit. I'm not sure if it's going to be like this for all of them, but this is what came in my kit. We got 2 small screws with 2 nuts, got a locking washer and 2 small washers for each of these. Right, got those 2 brackets, got 6 total black screws from what it looks like on the pre-drilled holes. You have 2 there, but which it doesn't really make sense because this bottom hole, basically when you press it against here all the way, that makes it really warped and not really a good fitment. So essentially what I'm going to do is use this top hole only and press it inward like that, and then from there we're going to drill underneath. So here's one pre-drilled hole, there's another one right there. So if you think about it, we got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on the other outside, right? So we're only using 4 of the 6 supplied black screws because the 2 bottom holes here don't really add up. And like I said, if you press it in, it really puts a ugly fitment on. So I'm gonna have to probably modify some kind of, I don't know, something, or maybe just buy a different bracket from a hardware store where I can drill directly here and then secure it here to this part, that base. So we'll see. Not super thrilled with the hardware that was supplied by this company. So as of right now, they are failing at life, and that's that. As far as the fitment goes of the actual lip, It's not going to be flush. It's not, you know, these are mass produced. I don't expect this to ever be super flush, but it's good enough for me. Doesn't matter. It's a cheap part that's going to see a lot of rocks and chips. So this particular lip is the one that's sold on eBay. There's another lip that is sold on Amazon, and it's $50 more, but the attachment points look more legit, I guess is the word, because the bracket points underneath the car go right here. The brackets, they have one that on each side and they attach right here, and they're already, like, it looks like it's pre-assembled on there, along with more I think there's about 3 or 4 attachment points on that lip as well, but I don't know, it'll be fine. I could always jerry rig something. So as of right now, like I said, just to get the lip on, we're gonna go top screw on the outside, one here, one there, and then the other screw, and then we'll just figure something out after that. Alright, so Pops is here. He's gonna hold down the bottom corner near the fog light bezel. Gonna press it down to make sure we have as much flush fitment as possible. Put pressure on here and then flush it, and then put pressure here and then screw the hole in. I'm trying to get to where the hole is going to be directly in the center of this. Alright, let me see real quick. A little bit. Yeah, I think we're good. That's right. That's pretty much right in the center. Okay, so we're good. Come on, drill. Good, good, good. Oh, there it is. All right, here we go. Teamwork. Good, good, good. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. That screw alone is pretty solid. So we shall see. All right, so both sides are secured here on the top. I don't know. This feels pretty secure right now, but I still might do a small bracket, pick something up from the hardware store, and just secure it more. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now, we're gonna go underneath the car and finish up the 2 holes underneath on the center portion of the front lip. Yeah, it's already looking good. Alright, right there. Here we go. Okay. There we go. That looks alright. Okie dokie. Check it out, there's the front lip, guys. Looks way better. Honestly, just 4 screws holding it on right now, but sounds kind of sketch, but check it. And it's not really going anywhere.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.